Are you looking for a hard drive? This is the Toshiba X300. Welcome everyone to another quick unbox series. Today let's take a quick look as to what's inside the box of the Toshiba X300. Now just a few things that I want to cover. The hard drive that we have here today is the 4 TB with speeds of 7200 RPM and a cache size of 256 megabytes. This hard drive is most suited for anyone who is looking to add an additional storage for their system, whether it be for gaming or additional storage for your media. Okay, so in the box contains the hard drive with a protected bubble wrap. I will add though that I bought this hard drive during the Black Friday sale for 99 bucks. So if you guys see this being going on sale, I can definitely recommend it as value for money. Alright, like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Catch you again next time. Cheers.